This is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to enable your disabled applications on your Android tablet. So if something is disabled, just go to the top, go to Settings, and scroll on down and locate Apps. Now, if we go to the top of the app selection, there will be something called Reset. So let's go to All Apps right here. Go to the top right. It says Reset App Preferences. And if we go to this will reset your disabled apps, so we'll enable your disabled apps, disable app notifications, default applications for actions, background data restrictions, etc. So just reset your app right here, and if you have anything disabled under this list, it should say if it's disabled as well. So let's go to maybe Google right here and tap this. So I have the option to disable right here. It will say disabled. So you scroll through here, it will say disabled. You can just tap it and go to enable, and then we should be able to use that application again. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.